Do not eat bread. Breakfast healthy, nutritious and ready in less than 10 minutes. To begin our recipe, I will cut 300 grams of broccoli. And in the sequence, I will grate until all the broccoli is like this here. This recipe is very easy to make, love to eat it as soon as I wake up, right at breakfast. I put the broccoli in a container and on top I will add 4 whole eggs and 1 onion cut into very small cubes. I will stir well so that our ingredients are added with broccoli. I'm sure this recipe will surprise you. Then, I added a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fried garlic, 100 grams of grated mozzarella, and finally, I will add a tablespoon of cottage cheese. I will stir again until all our ingredients are added to our recipe. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Amaro Perry from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Guys, if the separate ingredients are good, together is even better. Now in the frying pan, I will add some olive oil. With the help of a cooking brush, I will spread all the olive oil on the surface of the pan. I'll put all our recipe in the already heated frying pan and I'll fix it to cover the whole pan, this way I'm doing. Come back here and tell me what you think. Next, I will put the lid on and cook for 7 minutes. Guys, you can't imagine how delicious this recipe is. I have no doubt that this recipe will be part of your routine too. As soon as the 7 minutes have passed, with the help of a dish, I will turn the recipe into the frying pan and fix our omelette. Just for the ingredients you already know that the recipe will look amazing. Then, I'll cover it again for another 3 minutes so it cooks evenly on both sides. Now our recipe is ready. Look how delicious our omelette turned out. I'm sure you'll want to make it every day. Enjoy and tell me if you have any different recipe using eggs and broccoli. I would love to know. I'm sure your friends and family will want to know all the details of how to make this wonderful recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye!